Children today, the world tomorrow. To love is to listen. Words that build family love. Talking with kids. What's your mom doing?
She cooking dinner.
Almost. Say, she is cooking dinner.
She is cooking dinner.
Nice. Don't forget the to-be verb.
Yep. Don't forget the to-be verb.
What time is it now?
It's 6 hours.
Say, it's 6 o'clock.
It's 6 o'clock.
Great work. We say o'clock, not hours.
Yes, Mom. We say o'clock, not hours.
Where does your uncle live?
He lives in Texas.
Try again. Say, he lives in Texas.
He lives in Texas.
That's better. Always add SE for he, she, it.
Yeah, Dad. Always add S for he, she, it.
Where's your homework?
I forget it at home.
Almost. Say, I forgot it at home.
I forgot it at home.
Good job. Forget becomes forgot in the past.
Yeah, teacher. Forget becomes forgot in the past.
What are you doing?
I am draw a house.
Not quite. Say, I am drawing a house.
I am drawing a house.
Great. Remember, after am, use ing.
Yes, Dad. Using after am.
Is this your pencil?
Yes, this is mine pencil.
Almost. Just say, yes, this is mine.
Yes, this is mine.
Well done. Don't use mine with a noun after it.
Yep, Grandpa. We don't use mine with a noun after it.
What's your favorite animal?
I like cat.
Almost. Say, I like cats.
I like cats.
Good job. Don't forget to use plural when talking about more than one.
Yeah, I like cats.
Good. Say again.
I like cats.